Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we are going to unbox the Joby Gorillapod 3K kit. Now, a buddy of mine from Florida sent this to me because, actually, I don't know why. He's a really nice guy. His name's Skip Smith. On this box, you will see a lot of pretty pictures on what it can do. It says it does have a removable ball head. That sounds kinky. All right, it has a connection, which is a 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch. That's different. So I guess you can attach different types. And it has a maximum of 6.6 pounds, which is about 3 kilograms, I guess, for those people who are over the pond. On the back, it does say it has a proprietary ABS plastic sockets. In other words, the legs can move around quite a bit. It also has flexible wrapping legs, and it also has rubberized ring and foot grips. So when you have this down on a surface, it doesn't slide around or move around on you too much. And it has, again, a removable ball head. See on the bottom, made in China. Okay. So, inside. Ooh. At the top, it does have some instructions, especially on how to use the ball head. Nice. Okay, I think that's packaging. Ooh, neat. And we have, another bit of direction. I guess if you didn't see the first one, they got you a second one. Put that off to the side. Now on the ball head, it has a nice level on there. That's cool. Oh, a nice grip on it. I like that. Can tighten that down so that doesn't move. Oh, that's cool. And there's a little button here. What's the button for? Oh, look at that. It has a quick release. So if you have this thing set up and you have your camera there, but you want to go handheld, you can just push that button, pull it off, and you are good to go. Oh, that is cool. I really, really like that a lot. All right. And the legs, oh yeah, they're nice and tight. That's good. It says a removable ball head. Is it removable? Oh, it has a little screw on the bottom. I'm not going to play with it right now. But yep, it does look like this whole ball head can come off, but I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, because this thing has a level on it, and the level, yep, looks like it works pretty good, at least for the left-right. Awesome. I'll be playing with this thing all day. And it has a little notch out there. So if you want to put your camera pretty much straight down, you can. Look at that. That is great. Now what I'll be doing, I have a 1K stand, which is about half the size of this, but it doesn't have this removable ball head on it, and it doesn't have a leveler on it. So I think I'm going to switch to this one. This is nice. Well, thank you, Skip. I appreciate this very much. So I'll go ahead and put this together. I'll show you how I put the action cam on it, and then I'll be off to the races, so to speak. Okay, then to put this thing together, all you got to do is, of course, push the button in. That releases the mechanism. On the bottom, you have the standard screw end, I guess you would call it, for the tripod screw. On the bottom of the tripod attachment, all you do is just put that on there. Take a little screwdriver or a coin or something, tighten that up, put that on till it clicks, and that's it. It's on there. We now have a new Joby 3K tripod kit. Awesome.